If you want to learn how to set margin in MS Word document or page, then you have clicked on the right video. Welcome to Softechia. In this video, we are going to learn how to set margin in just few seconds in MS Word document or page. First of all, we have to open MS Word document. If you have any old page or pre-built document, then open it. Here I'm going to open a new document in MS Word. So I have to open a new page and click on blank document or blank page in MS Word. Now we need some content to show what is margin and how it indicate. So for content, we are going on ChatGPT and creating some content and pasting here. Now you can see what is margin actually look and how it looking better. Now we are going to change and set a margin for our document, and we have to click on layout button beside the insert button. After clicking on it, we get a drop down list where you can see some predefined margin templates you can also use for your project. If you want some custom margin and customize yourself by according to your need, then click on custom margin below button. Now you will see a pop-up display, a pop-up page where you can see top, right, left, and there with their decreasing and increasing symbol. You can increase them and decrease them according to your need and click on OK button below. Now you can see it has been changed your margin, and now it's solved. If you got that video informative, then like and subscribe.